Outdoor cooking. Elevating your RV camping experience with delicious meals. One of the greatest joys of RV camping is the opportunity to cook and enjoy delicious meals in the great outdoors. There's something special about the combination of fresh air, beautiful scenery, and the sizzling sounds of food being prepared over an open flame. Whether you're grilling burgers, preparing a hearty breakfast, or experimenting with new camping recipes, outdoor cooking adds an exciting and flavorful dimension to your RV camping experience. In this article, we'll explore the joys of outdoor cooking and provide tips and inspiration to help you create mouth-watering meals that will delight your family and friends. 1. Embrace the campfire. When it comes to outdoor cooking, the campfire is your best friend. It provides a versatile and authentic cooking method that adds a unique smoky flavor to your dishes. Whether you're roasting marshmallows for s'mores, grilling juicy steaks, or cooking foil-wrapped meals, the campfire is a central element of the outdoor cooking experience. Make sure to follow campground rules and guidelines regarding fire safety and always extinguish the fire completely before leaving your campsite. 2. Utilize your RV's kitchen. Most modern RVs come equipped with a fully functional kitchen, allowing you to enjoy the convenience of home cooking while being surrounded by nature. Take advantage of the amenities your RV offers, such as a stove, oven, microwave, refrigerator, and sink. Plan your meals in advance and bring along all the necessary ingredients and cooking utensils to make the most of your RV kitchen. From simple and quick meals to gourmet feasts, the possibilities are endless. 3. Grill to perfection. Grilling is a quintessential outdoor cooking method that adds a unique and delicious flavor to your meals. Whether you prefer a gas grill or a charcoal grill, cooking over an open flame is a fantastic way to prepare everything from burgers and hot dogs to vegetables and seafood. Experiment with different marinades, seasonings, and wood chips to add depth and complexity to your grilled creations. Don't forget to preheat the grill, oil the grates, and practice proper grilling techniques to ensure your food is cooked to perfection. Although most RVs come with griddles now, you can buy a grill that will hook up to the same propane outlet on your RV. Here is a good one to look at: Flame King Trailer-Mounted Gas Grill. 4. Dutch Oven Delights. The Dutch oven is a versatile and essential piece of camping cookware that allows you to prepare a wide variety of meals. From stews and casseroles to bread and desserts, the Dutch oven is a workhorse in outdoor cooking. Its thick walls and tight-fitting lid retain heat and moisture, resulting in tender and flavorful dishes. Explore Dutch oven recipes specifically designed for camping, and let your culinary creativity flourish as you experiment with different ingredients and flavors. 5. One-pot wonders. Simplify your outdoor cooking experience by embracing one-pot meals. These hearty and flavorful dishes require minimal cleanup and allow you to enjoy a delicious, home-cooked meal without the hassle of multiple pots and pans. Think chili, pasta dishes, stir-fries, or even a classic campfire stew. The beauty of one-pot meals is that you can combine various ingredients and let the flavors meld together over a gentle heat, creating a satisfying and comforting meal for the whole family. 6. Campfire cooking techniques. In addition to grilling and Dutch oven cooking, there are several other campfire cooking techniques to explore. Skewering food on sticks for kebabs or marshmallow roasting is a fun and interactive way to cook over the flames. Foil packet cooking is another popular method where ingredients are wrapped in foil and cooked directly in the campfire or on the grill. This method is versatile, allowing you to create individual portions of delicious meals with minimal cleanup. 7. Plan and prepare in advance. To make your outdoor cooking experience smooth and enjoyable, it's essential to plan and prepare in advance. Create a menu for your camping trip, considering dietary preferences and any special requirements. Make a detailed shopping list and pack all the necessary ingredients, spices, and condiments. Don't forget to bring along the appropriate cookware, utensils, and grilling tools. Prepping some ingredients in advance, such as marinating meats or chopping vegetables, can save you time and effort on site. 8. Embrace local flavors. One of the joys of RV camping is exploring different regions and experiencing the local cuisine. Take advantage of your surroundings and incorporate local ingredients and flavors into your outdoor cooking. Visit local farmers markets or roadside stands to discover fresh produce, herbs, and spices. Experiment with regional specialties or try your hand at recreating traditional recipes. Not only will you create delicious meals, but you'll also deepen your connection to the places you visit. 9. Engage the whole family. Outdoor cooking is an activity that the whole family can participate in and enjoy. Get the kids involved by assigning them age-appropriate tasks, such as mixing ingredients, setting up the outdoor dining area, or assembling skewers. Encourage creativity and exploration by allowing them to suggest their own camping recipes or help with meal planning. Cooking together creates lasting memories and teaches valuable skills while fostering a sense of togetherness. 10. Clean up and leave no trace. After enjoying a fantastic meal, it's essential to clean up properly and practice leave no trace principles. Dispose of food waste in designated trash bins, pack away your cooking utensils, and clean your cooking equipment thoroughly. Leave your campsite in the same condition, if not better, than you found it, respecting the environment and ensuring that future campers can enjoy the beauty of nature. Outdoor cooking is a delightful and rewarding aspect of RV camping. It allows you to connect with nature, unleash your culinary creativity, and indulge in delicious meals with your loved ones. Whether you're grilling, using your RV's kitchen, or embracing campfire cooking techniques, the possibilities for outdoor culinary adventures are endless. So, pack your ingredients, fire up the grill, and let the flavors of the great outdoors enhance your RV camping experience. Happy cooking and bon appetit! Camping is our happy place.